I have been keeping a bit of a secret over the past few months. My new layout has been running on a new ready-to-go out-of-the-box DCC system, and it's the most affordable DCC system that you don't have to build yourself. This video is brought to you by Model Railroad Academy. Model Railroad Academy is your online resource for model railroad instructions, ideas, and information, with loads of tutorials and articles for model railroaders of every skill level. One of my personal favorites is Alan Keller's Great Model Railroads series. It is just so much fun to look at all of these different model railroads from all of these different great model railroaders and just get inspiration from those. Plus, you can find tutorials on everything from bench work to electronics to scenery, all sorts of things there. The first 1,000 people to sign up at the link in the description below will get a full year of premium membership to Model Railroad Academy for $1.49. Hey everybody, my name is Jimmy. Welcome to Coffee and Drains. Today I'm drinking some Starbucks Holiday Blend. If you want to tell me what kind of coffee you are drinking and have it featured just like these guys right here, you can do that in the comments below, and who knows, you might see your name pop up on an episode of Coffee and Trains. Cheers, guys. This is the DCC EX CSB-1, a brand new, ready-to-go DCC system with a history of innovation. Now, it's actually in a case that I 3D printed. Let me pop it out real quick. This is the entire thing, and you can see it's from the guys at DCC EX. You can see that right there. It is an entire DCC EX base station ready to go. Now, for 9 years, you have been able to build your own DCC system with an Arduino and a motor shield. From the pioneering DCC++ to where we are today has been quite a journey, led entirely by volunteers and enthusiasts. And for the past 4 months, I have been running this system on this layout, and it has been running flawlessly. These are just some of the videos that you have seen this thing in action and didn't even know it. Let's go over the stats. The CSB-1 is a complete DCC command station. All you need is a 12 to 25 volt power supply and your smartphone or tablet to control the system with Y-throttle or engine driver, or there's a few other programs out there. The system has built-in Wi-Fi and allows for up to 10 connected users. It has dual 5 amp outputs. That's right, dual 5 amp outputs, which can be expanded to 4 5 amp power districts by stacking the DCC EX Motor Shield 8874 on top and powering it. The second output is a programming track which you can use the engine driver app to program your locomotives with. This thing seriously has it all, and it is designed for expansion. The station also has a small display that can tell you some basic information, including Wi-Fi. If you need even more power, the CSB-1 can be configured as a booster and utilize RailSync to connect them. And of course, it has short circuit protection to keep your DCC locos safe and reverse voltage input protection as well. The CSB-1 also has more memory for X-Rail automation scripts, a USB-C plug for updating software as well. All of this, and you're wondering what the cost is going to be. Well, the price isn't set right now, but it's rumored to be somewhere around $100, maybe a little more. That is a dual 5 amp DCC command station for just around $100. That's kind of mind-blowing. There is no other system on the market that can match that capability at that price. Like, it's not even close. If you're looking for innovation in model railroading, here it is. Even if you said, Jimmy, I have to have a physical throttle to use this, you can add a TCS UWT50 universal throttle for $230 and still be under most of the direct competition's price point. Now, my version here, I've actually 3D printed a case here. You can see I can just pop that in right there. And it's ready to go like that. Now, this is on Thingiverse. I do not know if there will be ones offered for sale, but I wouldn't be surprised if somebody sold these. Now, I could go through running this right now and just showing you, but you have already seen how well this works. I have had this thing connected to my T-Trax layout setup since August, and it has not had a single hiccup. It runs amazingly well. I've done programming with it, consisting, multiple trains, everything. The only thing that I haven't done is the booster mode because my layout's really not big enough to need an additional booster, but I might set that up just to see if I can. The CSB-1 is really something, and after these months of running, I can firmly recommend it when it comes out. Now, there's not a product page or anything like that, but as soon as it comes out, I'm going to update the links in the description below. So this is just amazing, and all of it is possible through the DCC EX project. This is a team of volunteers who love model railroading and wanted to design a new, highly capable system for model railroads, and they've done it. I hope you are able to check this thing out because it's really, really cool. Even if you've already got a DCC system, it's a really neat thing, and it's an innovative product. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Stay safe, be kind, drink some coffee, and happy railroading.